Even he knows. He's like, fucking one this way.
Yeah, bug. I'm like, fuck this shit, I'm out.
It's closing up. I think it's gonna do anything on it.
Our meteorologist over here.
Yeah.
Brandon Burton.
Right now. Right by
You
the
hear it?
storm.
Do you hear it?
The debris.
Uh-huh.
Hear the howl? Me neither.
Down here.
I did hear something fucking hit though.
Ooh, I got it.
There it is. A little fucking.
Yep.
Yeah.
Little shit tail.
Oh shit.
It's not. That's a space cloud. Why?
It's growing.
Funny, it's like
Yeah, it grew for like 2 seconds. Now it's gone.
Okay, it's
we're
over.
still meeting separate ways.
I still think it's gonna happen right there.
All right, guys, here we go.
Tie yourself to my straps. My battery's too dead to fucking.
Bug on the leg, sorry.
I'm gonna have my fucking phone charger like hanging out the window, be like, record this!
We should take the blazer so I can get on top of the blazer and hold on at least.
I hell with those racks. I don't think the blazer out running it.
You start doing the shit you want. Wow, what a fucking time, Blazer.
Thanks a lot, Dick. Knew you didn't like me.
Gear.
It dies, you get out.
That was actually a really cool one.
Randomly starts and fucking goes away.
Huh?
What was?
The lightning.
Oh.
I got it, and it was awesome. I got it, guys. Yippee!
I'm just gonna be pissed all the time, just like, fucking lightning, or fucking like hail and fucking rain. I'm like, god damn it. I had my phone out. What the fuck's up with these bugs, dude? Look.
I don't know, they keep getting on my legs.
They're just randomly like flying into me.
They think the smart thing is to do
You think I'm gonna save you?
in case there's a
I like one of
tornado.
those clicking bugs. Listen. Here, watch.
He's like, watch.
No, seriously, they click. What the fuck?
Man, they're just freaked out.
Oh, no.
There's a bat.
Here?
Yeah.
See a bat?
Bing.
Hey, we need a shirt and a tennis racket.
There's another one.
See, even they're like, fuck this.
I know what's up.
There's another one.
There's a dog getting long crazy. Still rock over there.
There's another one.
Did you hear that?
Okay, diving down at us.
Did you hear it?
There are a bunch of shit flying this way. I hear all that squeak.
We're all watching this way, not paying attention to the tornado. It's just right here.
It's
This is
coming
coming
behind
behind
us.
us. We're like, I'm just like,
Where the fuck is it?
Man, it's getting windy.
No.
What the hell?
Well, we're looking this way. I'm like, oh, thanks for otter boxes.
But hey, it hits the other box and lands like this. And it's like,
There's just a rock. It hits on. I'm like, oh. Sure, you guys gonna have a sweet ass video, just all us talking going on YouTube. You're like, that's the most retarded video ever. We're gonna get fucking all kinds of hate comments.
I don't care. Fuck them.
At the end of it, like, we'll be like,
You guys hate this? Fuck you!
We're the laziest storm chasers ever.
Come to us!
We don't come to the
Our
tornado.
storm chasing headquarters, the back of a Dodge.
Back of Batista's sweet ass Dodge.
We're at the birdhouse.
He
With
totally about
bats.
wiped out. There's fucking all kinds of bats flying around for some reason. It's like all these bugs are coming out.